How to buy the Sandbox crypto on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy sand on Etoro in an easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go down below to the watch list here, click on watch list, and now it will take you to this page. You will find a lot of cryptos here, and if you go down you will find sand. If you didn't find it, just click here and choose crypto and you will find it. Then click on it like this and choose this blue option here, click on trade. Now choose the amount of money that you want to invest. You can make it up or make it down as you want. Then click on open trade, and after that choose your payment method. You have credit card or PayPal or Skrill or Neteller or even bank transfer. And then after you choose your payment method, go down and click deposit and everything will be done in easy fast way. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.